Hello everyone, I am Mani and welcome back to eduNext Academy. In today's video, we are going to solve your textbook questions on degrees, coefficients of a polynomial. Together with, we will also check whether that expression is a polynomial or not, and also classify the polynomial as linear, quadratic or cubic. So hope this session will make this concept very easy to understand and help you practice at your home effectively. So let's get started. Now let us start solving your 9th class CBSE NCERT textbook question from Chapter 2. So this is the question from Exercise 2.1 from the textbook of 9th class Mathematics. Okay. So the question 1 is given: which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? Try to understand this question. Again, I am just trying to read it. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? So, here 5 questions are given. We have to check whether these mathematical expressions are really coming under polynomial or not. So, if we have to follow the properties of polynomial, in the last class I have already taught. So here first question is 1i. First question is 4x plus 3x plus 7. So here 4x square 3x plus 7. So it is a quadratic polynomial. The power here are single variable x. So that is coming under one variable. So yes, it is a polynomial because the power of variables are non-negative numbers. Non-negative numbers means 2. 2 is a positive 2 plus 2. Here the power is 1. So it is also satisfying one of the property of polynomial because the x contain only the exponent, that is power of positive number. Similarly, it is coming under polynomial. Similarly, come to question number 2. So here y is a single variable. Y square plus root 2. Root 2 is a constant. This particular expression also coming under polynomial because y is single variable and root 2 is a constant. Similarly, this question 3, now the expression is given root 3 root t plus 2 root t root 2. So here t is a variable but it is inside the square root, which does not satisfy the condition for an expression to be a polynomial. So this particular expression is not coming under a polynomial. Whether t is a single variable, but the single variable is present in the square root. So this condition does not satisfy the polynomial to be a polynomial. Next come to question number IB. So here the expression is given y plus 2 by y. Yes, y is a single variable but it is also not coming under polynomial because the y is remain in the denominator. Similarly, here is another expression. The another expression is 5. Here I am writing again 10 to the power x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. Now see, x, y, t, there are variables. Though this expression is coming under polynomial, but in this case we have to check whether it contains one variable or not, because this expression contains 3 variables, which does not satisfy the question 1 to be a polynomial. So this is, according to this question, this is also not coming under polynomial. Now let us solve another question number 2. It has been asked that write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Means we have to find out what is the numerical value present or integer present with x square. So here in the first expression you see the expression is 2 plus x square plus 1. So we have to see what the value present with x square. So here a square nothing is present means it is 1. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Similarly, in second questions, the expression given 2 minus x square plus. Now let us solve question number 3 from your textbook. It is given that give an example of a binomial. Give an example of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 10. So as I have told already from very beginning in my first video, what is binomial? It must contain two terms. So if I write x plus 7, so it is a binomial. But if I write degree 35, means I have to put power of 35 upon the variable x. Now this is the particular expression of a binomial having the degree 35. You can take anything. For example, you can also take x to the power 35 plus 3. You can also take z to the power 35 plus 6 like that. So x, y, z, whatever you can take, this should be a variable, and power 35 means degree 35 means you have to put the 35 as a power of that variable. Similarly, another question is that a monomial of degree 10. Monomials means a single term. For example, x 7. 7 is a constant, x is a variable. If I write 7 into x, it forming a single term. So coming under monomial. But if I write of degree 10, I can write 7x to the power 10. So this particular question is indicating it is a monomial having degree 10 plus x. So we have to see here. So here the coefficient is minus 1. Because this minus sign is there, so the coefficient is minus 1. Similarly, next come to third question. The expression is given pi by 2 x square plus x. Similarly, this particular pi by 2 is coefficient of this expression pi by 2 x square plus x. Now let us again solve the question number 4 from your textbook. Question number 4 asks that write the degree of each of the following polynomial. We have to find out the degree of every 4 questions are given, and here we have to find out the degree of the polynomial. Now in this expression, what are the power? The highest power of the variable, I have already explained the highest power of the variable is known as its degree. So here the power of x is 3, here 2 and here 1. So out of this 3, 2, 1, 3 is the highest power. If 3 is the highest power, the question number 4i degree is 3. Similarly, question number 4ii, here it is given 4 into y square. So 4 means this also can be written as 4 into y to the power 0 minus y square. So here the powers of y, is 0 and 2. So from 0 and 2, 2 is the highest number. So the degree is 2. Similarly, come to this question number 3i. It is given that 5t into 7. This also can be written as 5t minus 7 into t to the power 0, t to the power 1. So the powers are 1 and 0. So 1 is the highest, so degree is 1. The degree is 1. Similarly, in question number 4, it is a simple constant. If I write in a variable, it can be written as 3 into suppose x to the power 0, you know something to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 3 nothing means 1 is present. So that 1 can be represented as x to the power 0. So degree is 0. 0. Again, this is the question 5 from your textbook. It has been asked that classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic or cubic. So before solving this problem, you have to remember some note. So that note is the degree classify the polynomial. Means if the degree is x, the degree is, if the degree is 1, it is coming under linear. If the degree is 3, it is 2, it is coming under quadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, it is coming under cubic polynomial. So 3 conditions is very important to remember whether that polynomial expression is linear, quadratic or cubic. So remembering this note, we have to solve these questions. So here the highest degree x square plus x means 1. The highest degree is 2. So 2 means it is coming under if degree is 2, it is coming under quadratic polynomial. Here degree is x minus x to the power 3 means x cube. So here degree, highest degree is 3. So the highest degree is 3. So it is coming under cubic polynomial. Similarly in this expression, here the degree of y 1 and 2. So degree is 2 here. Highest degree, the highest power is 2. So degree is 2. So it is also coming under quadratic polynomial. Similarly, in this equation, the power of the variable x is 1. So it is coming under linear. Here 3t. Here the power of the variable t is also 1. This is also coming under linear polynomial. I hope this video helped you to understand how to find out degree, coefficient and classification of polynomials. So keep practicing all the problems that I have solved in the black here and at your home. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to eduNext Academy. Hit the bell icon so you never miss next video. This is Mani signing off. See you in the next video and keep learning with fun. Thank you.